Okay, welcome back. This is Zach with WP Speeder again. Here we are at GTmetrix. This is just one tool that will allow you to analyze your website speed anytime you want. It's a very good tool. It will help you identify the specific things that are holding your site back from becoming the fastest that it can be. Here we are. Let's go ahead and do our site here, wpspeeder.com. And I already have it saved, so let's go ahead and hit Analyze. And here we have those terrible scores again, but what GTmetrix does very well is it shows you exactly what is wrong with your site. So you can see all of these things that we got